Behind me, we have this beautiful Urus SE, and this thing looks stunning. Absolutely beautiful car. You see the full exposed carbon fiber. It's also raining in LA for some reason nonstop. So it is a little bit dirty because we took it out. Full carbon exposed hood on the front, looks incredible. Got the full wide body package. And since this is a gloss black car with the gloss carbon fiber, it looks really, really nice. A lot of little carbon fiber accessories added on, like here. You got two lips, one here, carbon little vents here, carbon exposed edges on the wide body flares. We got carbon fiber triangle for the fender, and then of course the full carbon fiber side skirt with the extension right here. So all that has been changed. More wide body flares, carbon. As you can see, it's still wet, but this is like the OEM Performante style roof spoiler that we got from 1016. Installed that. You got the little bit more aggressive rear spoiler and that massive carbon fiber rear diffuser in the back, as you can see. The SEs look very soft in original form. The diffuser is huge compared to the old version. They did this pointy trunk piece in the back here. So the license plate used to be here, if you guys recall. Now it's down here. So some people like this, some people don't. But I think now with the more aggressive carbon fiber diffuser, it looks a lot better because it is full carbon. Usually that's just black, so not much detail there. We even changed this to carbon right here. Looks really, really nice. So a lot of carbon fiber throughout. It's also been lowered and it features AL13 wheels on this one. Looks really, really nice. We could stance it up however we like it because it is back to air suspension. So you could go really low, we could go medium, whatever you want. This one is set up in kind of like a low to medium setup. Obviously, we like to go as low as possible, but we wanted to ride and not rub and all that stuff. So if you guys wanted to have that extreme low fitment like my Urus, we could do that with some additional service for you guys. So a really badass car. The SEs I think are being slept on. I've driven a Urus for over 6 years, and the SE, I got some seat time in this, and honestly drives really, really nice. I like the hybrid part of it. A lot of people frown upon hybrid, but why not have the best of both worlds on this car? Meaning you get more instant torque, power, go in hybrid mode, electric mode, and drive with no engine on quietly. That's a flex. It's cool on a Lamborghini Urus. So pretty cool to see. But we have two customer cars getting done right now, a matte black one and an orange one. So we're gonna be knocking those out real fast and get it to the customers because they've been waiting for this kit. The kit is still gonna go through another little change by 1016. This was kind of like the pre-run right here, as you see. So first ones in the world right here. So hope you guys like him. Back here, look if something changed, but everything's the same.
Yeah, actually, that's gonna happen in all afternoon if you come back again.
Yeah, you want coffee and donuts?
You're gonna see me right
Never
here.
again.
Coffee and donuts?
No, no more donuts.
Over cafe?
Yeah, café sí. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué quieres?
If I threw it, I would say it, bro. Is it okay? I did this on purpose. Did you see this movie on tape? Yeah, it made me buy it.
Empezando un nuevo año, gracias a Dios con trabajo.
I haven't seen you since last year.
Oh wow. January 2nd, we'll start working on this Urus 2025. We have to start doing wide body. Widebody kit. 10, 16. What I can say, thanks God for job, you know? And God bless everybody around the video. Around the world. Simon. And this one, maybe I'm gonna take a couple hours, maybe less. Imagine if I do one body kit in a couple hours. He jump.
You could.
This high. Let's get it done. See you Friday.
Shouldn't you be working?
What?
Shouldn't you be working?
I've done my damage for today.
Yeah, you really have. You have done good today.
Give me your roller. What do you want? Why are you trying to get me in trouble? So what do we got here? What do we? Oh shit! Something fell. We are trying to put the exhaust system in this car. Javier's taking off a lot of stuff from the front end of the bay. You guys can see there's a lot of stuff going on over here. It's a big job, right, Javier? Yeah. So we're doing the complete exhaust system, pipes, and everything right now. So that's where we're at. We have the rear diffuser already in. Looks really, really good compared to the stuff that I don't know who did before. But yeah, there's a lot of broken stuff on this car before. A lot of clips, broken stuff, very, very bad work prior before coming here. So right now we're doing everything correctly, and gotta get this car out of here. Javier, make it to break it. Salazar. Oh yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Let's see what 2026 has to bring us. I hope wealth and fame, not fame, just wealth. Who needs fame? No, wealth, yeah. That's it. We have a beautiful Range Rover here. You guys are familiar with this car because we did the build. We did the complete wrap on this car. We have the 24-inch wheels on this car. Unfortunately, customer couldn't enjoy it long enough before this happened. So, car's in here for a insurance claim. We're doing all the repairs. This car should be ready pretty fast. Nothing really crazy on this car. It's just a little minor repair, nothing bad. So, that's what we're gonna do. Detail this car, get it back to the customer. I wanna go to Disneyland.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go. Tell Vic to buy the tickets.
Alright, come on. Don't make me laugh. Why you do that, man? I'm gonna have a heart attack laughing. Adjusted better than yours.
No, this one's really good.
This
bro.
one's too.
This one's OG. No, because there's knockoff ones.
What is he looking at?
Why is he running? It's not an Armenian thing, it's a Russian thing, no? Or both? It's Armenian thing. That guy's going Piazza on his car. Yeah, but it's more Armenian than Fuck. Jesus Christ.
That's very loud. This was the car that had a power steering problem because there was a lot of wires that were destroyed under the hood. Rats got into this thing and started to chew everything. And yeah, so after all the repairs that we did, yeah, so there was a lot of wires that were broken under this panel here, cover. We took everything out, replaced a lot of stuff underneath here. So yeah, they did a lot of damage actually. They did a lot of damage. They did over like $4,000 to $5,000 worth of damages under that. So everything's fixed now, it's good, tested, everything's reset. Went for a test drive, good to go. Customers on the way to pick this thing up. And yeah, there's really not too many ways to prevent rats going inside unless your car is always like garage kept inside your house. But on the street, anywhere, it's always possible. They get in there somehow, some way. So yeah, this is it. Good to go. Yeah. The first time I did something right. For the first time. Yeah. And that's why it's gonna fall. Oh, yes. I go to school.
For what?
Para aprender inglés y no decir feo, decir fall. Sí, es que te imaginas la gente, the people laughing when they speak English.
Who cares?
Por eso ya no.
Who cares what other people think?
Huh?
Who cares what other people think?
I don't give a